Hi guys, welcome to New Techs on YouTube channel. To get notified, mind-blowing latest technology news visible right in your YouTube homepage. Subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to New Techs on YouTube channel. So in this video guide I'm going to show you how to add or how to create a user account in your Mac computer, also how to manage passwords and everything. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so now first of all you have to click the Apple icon here and click System Preferences, and here you can find there is an option Users and Groups. Click that. Okay, so here you can find your username, and if you want to change password, simply you can click change password and do settings. Or if I want to do more settings, like I want to add a new account, so simply first of all I want to click the lock the make changes. So I want to click lock button, and I have already enabled password, so I want to type my password and click unlock. Okay, that's it. Now you can do all the settings here. So now you have to click login options, and here you can find various settings, and I'll review everything by end of the video a little later for the more details. So at the moment I want to show you how to create a user account, so I have to click the plus icon here. That's it. Now you can find, you can enter a full name, account name, password, and verify password and everything. So for example I'm going to type a visitor, so I'm going to create a visitor account in my Mac computer, and also I'm going to add a password something like 1234 and create a user. That's it. Now you can find the visitor user is created. So once I click that, I can change profile picture of that, and for example if I want to select this, just simply I can select here. Okay, also if you want to allow user to administer this computer, you can simply click here, or if I want to enable parent control, I can tick here. Okay, now I'm going to log out from my current account and going to log into my new account. So to do that, click on the Apple icon and click log out your current account from your current account and click log out again. Okay, now you can find that is appearing my new user account. Just click that and enter the password and click enter. Okay, that's it. Now my newly created account is loading, so we have to wait some time to appear. Okay, now it's loading and we have to wait some time. Okay, now you can find there is appearing data and privacy. Just click continue here. So here you can type your Apple ID and login, or you can create a new Apple ID here, or simply you can set up later. So at the moment I'll set up later for my visitor account, so I'm going to click set up later and enable Siri. At the moment I don't want to enable Siri, and click continue. Okay, now it's setting up your Mac, and here you can find that the newly created user account in your Mac computer. And by creating a new user account, you can maintain files separately from your admin account, and if two or more people are using your same Mac computer, then it will help you avoid many issues like deleting files or uninstalling apps that will not affect to next user. Also you can use this account as for your private use if more people are using the same Mac computer. Also you can install new softwares, and if you don't want to depend with the new software installed from your other accounts, so you can simply create a, or you can simply install softwares or apps to your new account. So there are some advantages to maintain or using a new user account, so that will help you in many ways. So guys, now I'll show you what are the more features we can do in this login option. So first of all, I'm going to log out from this user account and I'm going to log in from my admin account, and I'll show you some more settings in here. Okay, to log out, click Apple icon and click log out from your current account and click log out. Okay, now I'm going to log into my admin account, so click the admin account and type the password and click enter. Okay, now I logged into my admin account, so go to the Apple icon and click system preferences, and in here I'm going to again to the login option. So to do that, go to the users and groups and I have to click the lock button here to do changes. So I'm going to click here and type password and click unlock. Also you can do some advanced settings, so I'm going to click visitor account, the newly created account, and right click and click advanced options. So here you can do some settings, something like you can change the user ID, group, account name, full name, or a login path, home directory, and etc. So this is a little bit advanced option. I'll review everything in my future if you want. So if you want to reset password, simply you can click reset password and do settings. So if I want to do some more settings, I have to click login options, and here you can find automatic login options. So if you don't want to enable all the user accounts in your lock screen, simply you can turn off or turn on any of your specific account here. Also you can simply click show password hints, or you can enable show input menu in login window and everything. So I'll did some settings, and now I'm going to log out again and I'll show you everything. So here you can find my user accounts. So all the user accounts are there. So once I tap here, and there's a I can find there's a so small icon here. So or I drag here, click that, then I can find the password hint. So I can enable this also in my login options. So this will be helpful if you ever forget your password. So if you don't want to reset it, simply you can enable some password hint here. Also here you can find below there is option sleep, restart, shutdown option here. So you can also enable or disable this from your login options. So this is how you can create user account and do set password or delete password, or you can enable all the settings here. So guys, if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also if you have any questions or issues, please don't forget to comment below in my video description, and definitely I'll try to answer for all of your questions. Thank you.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay tuned more awesome latest tech videos. Thank you.